Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can log into WhatsApp in your computer in Windows 11 without scanning the QR code. First, press your Windows key and type WhatsApp or open WhatsApp anywhere you want. And now it will show you the screen. Click on Get Started. And here, instead of this QR code, click on Link with Phone Number. Now select your region and enter your phone number. After you've entered your phone number that is already registered with WhatsApp, click on Next. And now this code will be shown. And as you probably heard, I got a notification on my phone, on my WhatsApp, that somebody is trying to log in. So what I can do is open WhatsApp in my phone. Now if I open WhatsApp on my phone, click on this icon on the top right and click on Link Devices. Now you can click on Link a Device, click on Link with Phone Number instead, and enter a code that is shown here. So if I enter the code 36, now as you can see, I can see the logging in message on my Android device and it's gone now. And here you can see I am logged into my device in my PC. So this is how you can log into WhatsApp on Windows devices without the QR code. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.